Hey everyone, as mentioned in my previous video, I have just bought a new laptop which is going to be used for my school use. I'll be taking it to school in here, so it's a very lightweight laptop. It's the new iLife ZE. The brand is iLife obviously, and the type is ZE H2. So as mentioned here, it's a very thin, light and powerful laptop. Windows 10 and the Intel processor is Celeron. These are some of the features. The display is 14-inch screen. The processor is once again Intel Celeron with up to 2.4 gigahertz. Graphics, Intel HD Graphics 500. The RAM is 3 GB. The total external storage is 500 GB. Camera 0.3 megapixel front camera obviously. And there's the connectivity. And obviously in the box you'll get a wall charger, warranty card and user guide. And there you go, that's the battery life, 4800 mAh, 7.6 volt. They told me that, oh yeah, here's the LF Technologies. This is their main office in USA. The company is in USA, it's here, assembled in China, and some few parts in UAE. So yeah, let's turn it now, and let's open it. Once again, just before I open it, here it is. Here it is. This is the 1-year limited warranty card. Okay, we can skip that. And here's the magnificent laptop. One second. Yep. So here it is. I really love the fit and finish of this laptop. It's a beautiful silver color. And it seems that a lot of people have come back and told, and even the staff over there told, from far it actually looks like an Apple. Some of the parts actually are made by Apple. So it's a very strong, nice feeling laptop. Yep, I'm on the other side. It's a very, very, very lightweight laptop. So let's open it. Yep, you have to use 2 hands to open it. Okay, this is just more operating system, Windows 10, 32 GB eMMC storage, which can be extended to 500 GB, Intel HD Graphics 500, thin, light, powerful, ZE 14-inch, Intel Celeron. There's excellent spacing with the keyboard, so it's not Lenovo, HP or Dell quality keyboard, but it's good enough. This is the laptop. Before I start it up, I'll just show you the back side of the laptop. So there's black things over there. The circle dots are anti-slip, so it doesn't slip over the table. Yep, Miami, Florida. Made in China, obviously. Let's see if it doesn't slip. Nope, it's quite strong. I'm pushing it very hard. Slowly it's moving, but it doesn't mean if you hit it hard like that. It doesn't move, hardly moves. Okay, but the box moves. Come on, box. Yep. So let's start it. Yeah, so let's start it. Right over here is the power button. There it is. I thought it was not working, but you just have to hold like for around 2 seconds and then it comes on. Okay, this is the second time it's switching on, so obviously it will take some time. I've already done the initial setup. Yep, my name. So I've already done the initial setup, like the selection of the region, the selection of the language. So let's just move. I've not selected the Wi-Fi, so yep, here it is. Excellent quality. It looks so different from when I saw it in Lulu. Yep, this is my Wi-Fi. Verifying and connecting. Well, that's it. It's connected. All I have to do now is go to the Internet Explorer. Let's see. For example, say Gulf News. Just giving me a tip that too many background apps can drain your battery. Gulf News. Oh, okay. So this is startup. I can get back to that later. Gulf News, please. Okay. Yep, so it's quite quick. Oh, by the way, guys, Intel Celeron is between i3 and i5. Yep, it's quick. It's really quick. All I have to do now, close all. All I have to do now is put the antivirus and we're done. So, yep, it's quite quick. Let's say, suppose this is the camera. It's just 0.3 megapixel. Okay, that's not the best of cameras in the world for a laptop. It's not that bad. I don't need to use it anyways. So it's doable for Skype. It has 2 speakers at the sides of the laptop. Other than that, anything else I can show you? No. So far it's already charged actually. 64% is already there. The date and time, everything is already set up. That's brilliant. Anything else? Yep, my folder. Well, okay, that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. I will be uploading after 1 week, like a review about how the laptop really is, after going through the school life and everything else. So once again, okay, the clock fell. Yeah, it's the iLife ZED H2. Thin, light and powerful, obviously Windows 10 and Intel Celeron. The fit and finish once again is perfect. I really love the laptop. Nice touchpad, excellent spacing between in the keyboard, the keys. Yeah, and it does, on my camera it doesn't show much, but the quality of the screen, and the picture quality is amazing. I think it's full HD. Okay, I'm not sure, but I think it's full HD. And the battery life, it's also quite good. I think it's 4800, as I mentioned before. And it's 500 GB, so it's good for school use. More than enough, actually. So once again, thanks for watching this video, guys. Please like, share, comment and subscribe. I know that this video will not be as famous as Comsy's video. He has uploaded an iPhone X unboxing, so please head over there, head to our channel and please watch that video. Please put a thumbs up if you like this video, and thank you so much once again. Bye. See you all next time. This is Cassius saying good night and signing out from this blessed land of UAE. Bye. Hey everyone, I've just finished the unboxing video, but I forgot to show you a small thing. Okay, that shouldn't break my keyboard. Yep, this is the accessory, the wall charger connection box. Inside here is the charger. Yes, I've just ripped open the box and this is the charger. Yep, so let's get this out. It spoils the scene. This is the manual. iLife. Love it, am I? So yeah guys, thanks for watching. This is my new beautiful laptop. And yes, so Once again, please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Thanks for watching my videos, and once again, please also go ahead and watch Comsy's new video of the iPhone X, iPhone 10 unboxing. Thank you. Bye bye.